Hey there crew, Matt Vasallo here with rhinestoneworld.com. In this quick video, I'm going to show you our TRW Gymnastics Live Subway design. So this is an amazing looking design. In my opinion, probably the best looking out there as far as the Subway look for gymnastics. Now you can see the way that we laid this out, and I talked to multiple gymnasts about this as far as getting some good kind of key words in it, but then also having the floor, the vault, the bars, and obviously the beam, having all four of the events built into it. But then depending on what level they're in, they can use different keywords based on different maneuvers and different skills that they have. But really easy. I just come over here and I hit find text. If I wanted to change this from, let's say, Madison to whoever we want, we can go Jennifer. Just type out Jennifer, it types in there, perfect. Now it's ready for Jennifer. Maybe Jennifer's in level 6, change level 6. Maybe Jennifer doesn't go to Lakewood Ranch Gymnastics, she goes to another one here in Florida, maybe it's Orlando Metro. I'll just go Orlando, enter, Metro Gymnastics. So I just changed the gym, changed the level, changed the name, and any keywords that they want to change, you can see everything can be changed here in the TRW Design Wizard. Now, those of you who may have Silhouette Designer Edition, Make the Cut, other softwares like that, what we also do is we give you an SVG file of this, so you can just delete the word Jennifer, type in your own name. It takes a little bit longer, but still can easily use this file as an SVG in all the other softwares out there. However, in CorelDRAW with the TRW Design Wizard, you can change this in a matter of seconds. Now we want to throw this onto the pillow that we're going to make for them. In the TRW Design Wizard, I would just go to mockups. I put a pillow into the software here. So when I go to my pillow here, I click on the pillow. There it is, perfectly on my pillow. How freaking awesome is that? I can change it to my glitters, my strip flock, whatever I want. Send that to the customer for a quote. So thanks for watching. I put a special link just for watching this video in the description in this YouTube channel with a link to this actual TRW Gymnastics Live Subway file. Take advantage of that coupon. If you have any questions, just let us know. Number's 941-755-1696. This is Matt with rhinestoneworld.com. You guys have a great day. Later.